In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Biometrics and Password. Then click on Lock Screen Password here. Tap on Change Password Type and tap on the best one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or alphanumeric password. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, you get to create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. Following that, select Done at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to add a fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. If you don't want to do it now, just click on Cancel. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!